Today, I'm visiting the grave of a little girl whose life lasted only 2 short years, but whose story is closely tied to a hardworking Ozarks farm family that endured repeated loss. This is the story of Oma Lorene Massey, her brief life, her family, and the illnesses that claimed several children in one household during the early 1900s. Oma Lorene Massey was born on April 29, 1920, in Douglas County, Missouri. She was the eighth of 9 children born to James and Florence, or Flora, Sweeten Massey. At the time of her birth, her father was 46 and her mother was 38. The Massey family had lived in Douglas County for many years and were farming along Fox Creek in Jackson Township when Oma was born. Sadly, Oma's life was very short. She passed away at home on October 1st, 1922, at only 2 years of age. Her death certificate lists the cause of death as laryngeal diphtheria. Diphtheria is a bacterial infection that affects the throat and voice box, forming a thick gray membrane that can make breathing extremely difficult. Effective treatments such as antitoxins and antibiotics were not widely available at that time, making the illness especially dangerous for young children. Oma was buried in Tedrick Cemetery in Douglas County. She was not the first child the Massey family laid to rest there. Years earlier, in 1905, they lost their oldest child, Percy, who passed away at age 3. In 1913, they buried their 1-year-old daughter, Georgia, whose death certificate states she died from cholera, another serious bacterial infection spread through contaminated food or water that causes severe dehydration through vomiting and diarrhea. Oma, Percy, and Georgia are buried together in the same cemetery. After Oma's death, the family eventually left Douglas County. By the time of the 1930 census, the Masseys had moved to Allen County, Kansas. James had left farming and was operating an auto salvage business. Their son, Thomas, aged 27, had previously worked in the oil fields and later joined his father in the salvage yard. Flora remained at home caring for the household and the remaining children. Only 3 years after that census was recorded, James passed away following a long illness, according to his obituary. Flora did not appear to remarry and continued living in Allen County for many years afterward. She died in 1956 at the age of 74. James and Flora are buried together in Mount Hope Cemetery in Allen County, Kansas. Oma's headstone bears the epitaph, "A little bud of love to bloom with God above." There is a small discrepancy in her recorded birth year. Her death certificate lists 1920, while her stone reads 1921. Because she died so young and did not appear on a census record, it is difficult to determine which date is correct. Stories like Oma's are short, but they matter. Each small stone marks a life that was loved and remembered, even when the years were few. Cleaning and documenting these graves helps make sure those names are not forgotten. According to family tree research, Oma is related to my husband. She is his 8th cousin, 4 times removed. Thank you for watching and honoring her memory with me. Rest in peace, Oma.